Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, south central Payne County in central Oklahoma, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles west of Tryon, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Accumulating hail is possible. Locations impacted include Chandler, Stroud, Davenport, Carney, Tryon, Agra, Kendrick, Avery, and Parkland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.